Good morning, afternoon to everyone, and thank you for joining us over the past 2 days. It's been a privilege to welcome more than 2,500 GRC professionals to talk about the most pressing and important topics in governance, risk, and compliance. And thank you to our partners that made this event possible. Platinum sponsor has been KPMG, gold sponsor Vivid Edge, silver sponsor EPAN with Cube, S28, and Castle Hill made all these partners made this event a great opportunity to discuss the future trends in the GRC market. We strongly believe that working all together with the extended partner network MetricStream has and our clients, we can share and enhance our practices on this ever-changing world in the GRC. What a great summit has been here. And we have combined our virtual event that you are following with the opportunity to meet our clients in person. 2 days ago, I was in London, and now I enjoyed coming to you from Copenhagen and can't wait to see everyone all together in person next time. I'll be optimistic and I hope that it will be soon. From everything we heard in the past 2 days, we are on a positive path to recovery. The summit, the webinars, the peer-to-peer sessions, the physical events are all great opportunities to learn from each other and enhance our GRC practices, taking advantage of the expertise from projects in different sectors. And I believe this is one of the relevant added values MetricStream provides to our customer every year. Now, it's hard to pick highlights from such an outstanding session, but here are a few from the past few days that stood out to me. Well, the numbers, first of all, on GRC professionals and business leaders registered and following the event. This brings to me the relevance of the topics we are covering and also impacting all the sectors, major industries, major companies. Tough, provoking keynotes from our CEO, Bruce, on thriving on risk, our chairman, Gunjan, on the new ESGRC, and Gaurav Kapoor on managing tomorrow's risk today. We have several prominent global GRC executives as speakers at the event. Some of the organizations represented included Google Cloud, World Bank, Verizon, Nordea Bank, Novartis, Facebook, Danske Bank, Bank Julius Baer, Almarai, the Department of Work and Pensions, Aviva, Single Life, and the Banque Centrale de Luxembourg, to name just a few. And these are important contributions on what we are doing, what our clients are developing in terms of projects in the GRC evolution and journey they are taking. I was inspired and learned so much during these 2 days, and I hope you did too. As GRC and business leaders from all type of industries, we're talking about banking, fintech, healthcare, oil and gas, consumer, business to business, we all have one thing in common: to drive our organizations managing risk for a sustainable growth. While the pandemic upended how we work and how we manage risk, as an industry, we have all stepped up to the plate. That's the good news. We have reimagined how we were managing risk, reconsider innovation, leverage automation and advanced technologies such as artificial intelligence and machine learning, invested in people. By the way, we did heavily invested in MetricStream in the past 12 months, expanding our organization, and elevated the GRC discussion to the boardroom. We are all weathering the storm, and here is the great news. We are emerging stronger, and we have also demonstrated a desire to be aspirational and change the way we view risk. I hope you can agree that the common purpose this week was to demonstrate how we can all thrive on risk today, tomorrow, and into the future. I would like to take a moment with all of you to highlight a few key themes I heard over the past 2 days. The first one, to me, very relevant, is regarding resilience. We are all working together to build an agile future. Resilience was at the forefront. We discussed the many uncertainties of managing regulatory compliance, how to achieve operational resilience in financial services, and using integrated risk management to drive agility. Whether the topic was Brexit, the future of GRC, or as in the last section, SOX compliance, being flexible and ready is the key. The second theme I refer to is turning risk into a strategic advantage and thriving on risk. Not only are we resilient, we are turning also risk into opportunities to innovate. Our customers share specific examples of how Metric Stream is stepping up to the plate to help them turning risk into a reward that have impacted on your business and your purpose. Risk management is now at the center of business decisions. And much like ERP and CRM were critical in the past, risk management has emerged as an essential engine of growth. The third final theme I would like to mention is innovation. From adapting rapidly to new risks like ESG, for instance, to the new ways of tracking cyber attacks through all the inspiring customer stories we heard in the past 2 days, we are creating new ways of working and mitigating risk, and wherever is possible, managing tomorrow's risk today. ESG, or as we call it here, ESGRC, is emerging as the theme of the years. Environmental, social, governance risk measurement and management is one of the most burning topics we hear about from our customers. I was pleased to host a session regarding ESG yesterday. The launch of our new solution for ESG will enable all our customers to address in an integrated perspective the environmental and social aspects with the GRC foundation they already have. There is no doubt ESG is fundamentally changing how companies do business today, moving to a model that is funded and not just profit, but profit with purpose. After the lessons of the pandemic so far and the focus on diversity, good governance, and measuring ESG is an imperative for every company of the future. At Metric Stream, we are so excited to have launched an innovative solution to help you measure and report on your ESG initiative. It was also exciting to me to hear about the other product innovation, from quantification of cyber risk and reporting on regulatory compliance to the smart use of artificial intelligence to make faster and better decisions. Our head of innovation, Vidya Park, brought artificial and machine learning to life, showing how these technologies can eliminate ineffective manual processes and up-level your strategic insights. Finally, let's not forget risk quantification. It's an area we are all very excited about, and is changing the game of GRC. Our CTO Prasad and the customer giving grounds from Verizon demonstrated how to quantify risk into meaningful scores and dollar terms, easily understood by the entire company. With risk quantification, you can prioritize investments, make faster decisions, and manage and mitigate your risk. So let me close these 2 days with my final thoughts. Our customers and you, the GRC community, are impossible to keep down. The customer case study showed how you are enacting best practices to deal with real-life risk challenges every day, and how Metric Stream can support you in this journey. You are transforming and staying ahead of risk in ways we did not think were possible. It's inspiring, and I can't wait to see how this business evolves, impacting our world to enable responsible growth. Let's power the future together. I look forward to partnering with you to power what's next and join MetricStream on a journey to thrive on risk. Thank you again to all the people contributing to this event. Was excellent. I was inspired. Was exciting for me to attend to these sessions. Juana, thank you for supporting through the entire day. And back to you for the final closing.